And then the next big one would probably be like if you want to replace like windows in your house, that would be kind of a big one, and you could tackle it. But sometimes, like what I recommend on that is if you have somebody you know that's in the construction industry, maybe have them come over for like an hour or a couple hours on like a day, and just help you do one, so you can see the whole process. And you're like, oh, and then it's just kind of wash, rinse, repeat.
Right.
And so that can be helpful instead of just struggling through and not really understanding, uh, what do I do here? Is this important? It's because you don't know your tolerance when you're in stuff like that. You don't know what's important and what's not.
Right.
And so the whole thing is just like understanding in real time. What do I need to do? What do I need to be careful of? Okay, I know I need to do that, but I don't need to worry about this. Because some of it can create maintenance issues for you. So I say if you have somebody, I've done that a lot for people. Just like, yeah, I'll come over and show you, and then you can do the rest. I don't want to sit there all day and do it for you, but
Right.
I will walk through one complete, window hole with you, and then you can take it from there. And most people want to do that if they're doing sweat equity, so that's kind of something to think about.
Right. And windows, updated windows, they look nice, and but I often get clients who think that they are going to save a whole bunch of energy by replacing their windows, and that's possible. However, the first thing to check is insulation. Is your floor insulated, and is your attic insulated?
Yep.
Because if those aren't insulated,
Right.
it doesn't matter how nice windows you put in. 5 planes of glass in each, and the heat or fuel is just gonna go out through the floor and ceiling.
Yeah.